Calf Creek Falls today. We're going to try to do the upper ones too, but I guess they're not attached. You got to drive a little further up the road to get to that one. So we'll see how we're feeling today and decide if we want to do the other one or just keep going. This is cool. What really makes hiking through 4 and 5 inches of sand worth it. The desert hikes are always worth it when you can get to this. Oh yeah. So cold and worth it.
Really looking forward to floating in here, but not gonna happen. What'd you think?
It was really, really cold.
Very cold.
Really, really worth it. I'm glad I jumped in. You don't get that opportunity every day.
Worth it. We're in the desert and Ryan still has Raynaud's.
It's my dead fingers. Coincidentally, we've run into these same people and their dogs 2 days in a row on different hikes.
We almost turned around. We were so close to just like...
We'll see you at the next hike.
They say not to take anything with you, but it's hard not to take the sand. What a great way to finish up this little 2-week trip out before we head back to Montana for a little bit. It was a beautiful hike. And now we're gonna
drive.
Head back north for a bit of camping, biking, hiking for a couple weeks, and then we head out for good.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And to follow along in the rest of our adventures, follow us on Instagram at Jean-Claude Ramvan.